Good morning, fellow traders. Probably here. It's time for the Good Morning Market Prep for Wednesday, September the 30th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great night last night. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market yesterday. So SPX was down a few points. Monthly chart today is the last day of September. So let's see how this monthly candle closes. So far, dark cloud cover. If it really pushes down, then we might have a bearish engulfing candle. However, the weekly chart last week had a hammer, and we're up off of that and still green on the week. We may be gapping on this morning on the ES, but we need to see how we handle that because we've broken out of the corrective channel as of the last couple days, and now we're kind of rejecting the 50-day moving average. We said that we want to see a nice strong close above this to see if this wave, this potential fresh wave up, is continuing to work its way up. Otherwise, we're going to look for a retrace and see how it handles that. So yesterday was kind of a 180 reversal, so we'll see how that holds going into today. Let's take a look at the SPY. So again, yesterday's volume, kind of blah. A little bit. We had the debates last night, so we had a quick spike and then a quick flush, and now we're kind of doing a double bottom right here. We could be working on some sort of butterfly formation going into today, but right now we're holding a geometric line from yesterday. Let's take a look at the S&P futures and see how they're holding up tonight or from last night. And so we can see here we've got a couple signal zones. We definitely have a drop zone from yesterday. We have this area up here, and we're bouncing off of these right now. So we're basically holding an upward channel going into today. So we'll see how that holds going into the open. The MES again is very similar right here. We have a channel, so we really just kind of want to see how it holds these levels here. Again, a little bit of resistance off of that, but again, a big impulsive move right down here. This could be a zigzag type correction, so we could see A, B, C up, and then another impulsive move down again. So we'll see how that goes. But right now we're kind of like we said, we're maybe in wave one, possibly going to be pulling back in wave two. So this is a complicated area, right? And we're also in the bigger trend box on the market. So again, if you guys don't like this non-trending stuff and don't like this the intraday tactics, it's okay, right? Just we'll wait, and then eventually the market will either decide it's going to start trending back up or it's going to trend down. So we'll kind of go from there. But in the meantime, we're in the corrective pattern, so we'll go from there. So let's take a look and see how the Qs are looking this morning. Very similar chart setup here. Again, looking kind of like a butterfly formation, but we'll see how that holds going into the open. IWM basically just kind of chopping around here, trying to follow the rest of the market, but a little bit behind. Apple, okay, very key day, right? Key area right here. Inside day yesterday, we've already rejected those inside day levels. So this is going to be an important one to keep an eye on today. Let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla recovering pretty well here this morning. It had a really nice triangle breakout yesterday, nasty pullback, and now it's kind of coming back and testing a couple of the scenes of the breakdown here pre-market. So let's see if that gets some strength here in today. Another electrical vehicle maker maybe is NIO. We think they make vehicles, but anyway, gapping up here this morning, getting some nice follow through from yesterday's profile trade. Some good stuff there. mRNA gapping up a little bit right here, but has a lot of work to do to get over the after hours level. So this is on some positive vaccine news. Keep an eye on Disney today, gapping down on the layoff news, so kind of see how it's got some big levels here too, so see how it handles that today. And then finally MU, down a bit here after earnings, but again, it's really not down that much. If you go to the daily chart here, you can see we're kind of coming right to the cloud and the 50-day moving average and into some big prior price action with some buying pressure. Of course, if we lose these levels, watch this open gap below, but if we hold, we may see a reversal, so keep an eye on these semiconductors today, AMD, NVIDIA, Intel, things like that, to see what kind of action we get out of that sector. So anyway, guys, good stuff. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day today. We'll catch you guys in the lunchtime market update. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys